Okay, so I've just installed this on an older 55-inch Samsung, yet to make it stand upright. It looks alright. There's just one thing you need to be wary of, and that is the L plate is designed to fit flush with the surface of older TVs. So if in the case you have like this one, where there is a step between the back of the TV where the bolts go into and maybe the speaker system, you will need to get some spacers, as I have had to do here, so that it sits offset from the back of the television itself. Otherwise you will not get this part beyond any piece that's sticking out. Also, you will not be able to mount or shift the whole leg thinking you can put it in this gap, because the leg itself won't move into this gap. So just be aware of this. Also, the M8 bolts for this TV, it's M8. You might use the M6s, but they're 35mm, and if you have this sort of situation, you will need to go and buy a longer bolt. In my case, I used 50mm, and the spacers that come with the product will not fill most gaps. At least here I needed 20mm spacers, and I bought these off of Amazon. They're 10mm each. There's two of them here, and I will show you what it looks like standing up. For those of you who don't yet have a TV unit, that's not a problem. I'm still waiting for mine, but it seems to work okay. And you will have this amount of projection between the back of the leg and the TV itself. Yeah, it's sturdy enough. Alright, thanks for watching.